Have you heard about the ATN Automated Trading Network by Aaron Richard? Possibly you might have heard about it, and it's a platform, a program, okay, that promised to, teach you exactly how you can start making money from Forex, okay? So in case you possibly got in touch with this program also, and it's one that appeared to be an automated trading network focused on Forex trading. Okay, so you can see right there, it says how I make more in a month than stocks and real estate do in a year without doing any work using private trading network. So right here is a video you can see by Aaron, and right there is his family. Wow, I like family pictures. Okay, so that's it right there, and you can see if you scroll down. So right there, you're being told that after 5 minutes, a button to book a call will unlock. Now, the first thing is that whenever you see a program that is even saying book a call, you need to know that that is ticket. Okay, it involves huge capital for you to invest. Okay, and even just from my research, it's been, I've been able to see that the program requires you to have, at least $20,000 to $40,000, which may be a deterrent for potential investors, because this is ticket program. Okay, it's not for people who are broke, it's for people who have huge money. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to know. And the core selling point of the program is the promise of high return through automated trading algorithm, whereby you're gonna invest money into these, and you'll be promised, a particular monthly returns ranging from 5% to 15%. Okay, and the owner here on Richard promised investors the opportunity to achieve significant passive income, through participating in the program, and with the claim of substantial growth in capital over a relatively short period of time. Okay, now additionally, the program emphasizes the exclusivity of, the investors network, and the potential for collaboration and networking among members. All right, now however, I kind of have some doubts regarding the program's legitimacy, because due to inconsistencies in, information provided, and also pressure taxes used by representative, whereby they're telling you to go ahead, invest in this. By the time you book a call, you're just gonna, you're gonna be speaking with a closer who is gonna be pressurizing you, and also there is not detailed information that is being provided. I'm able to get this information from my research, and also I went ahead and my team to book a call, so we've been able to realize that there's this pressure tactics from his team. Okay, and also there is lack of verified evidence supporting the program's performance. So all these things are what you need to put in mind if you wanna maybe give this a try. Okay, and also you need huge capital. Now I always advise people, in case you're a beginner, please and please don't go ahead and just invest $20,000. Okay, online there is it's good to make money online, and it's not also difficult, but you can lose all your money, that's it. Okay, so but if you're a beginner and you have maybe you're rich yourself, you have like $200,000 in your account, or you have the money, but you just feel like maybe this can be a good way to diversify your income, then it's all good. You can give it a try. You can start with $1,000. Okay, I mean $10,000 to give it a try. But if you don't have the money, maybe all you have in your account is $20,000, or maybe possibly you want to go ahead, borrow money just to invest in these, then please do not do that. Okay, do not do that, because it might affect your state of mind. Okay, so instead of doing that, you can find another type of business you can get into, or you can possibly buy a course, okay, or a coaching program or a mentorship program that you can join, and you can be getting Forex signals from them. Okay, there are some mentorship out there. There are some programs you can join that you're gonna be getting Forex mentorship. Okay, I'm not into Forex trading, so I really can't recommend one for you, but if you do your due diligence well, you know that you can get Forex signals rather than you investing $20,000 in these, and you're not even able to see your money back. Okay, and also automated trading of Forex, like the program focuses on automated trading specifically for the Forex market, and just like I said, it offers a potential return ranging from 5-6% to 15%, according to my discussion with one of the closer. Okay, and also there is questionable practices, like there is less transparency and professionalism of the program representative. Okay, there is high rate of misleading information from those representative, like the closer you're going to be booking a call with, undisclosed fees, and unprofessional conduct during calls and interaction. Even many users in a group that I know, they complained a whole lot about the representative. So I think everyone should try and check out his closer. Maybe they can do better, because a lot of people are complaining regarding his closers. Okay, and also even though this guy has some reviews here, but there's still there's still lack of despite all the promotional materials and advertising, I don't really see much of genuine reviews and testimonials. However, what you need to know is that it doesn't mean that people are not getting results. Some people are getting results, but they are mostly people who are knowledgeable in the forex market already. Okay, not a lot of beginners. Okay, and also there is inconsistencies in pricing and information provided. So you need to know that if I say okay, you need $20,000, possibly you might be pitched. If they see that maybe you have the money, they can even say you need $50,000. So it depends on how well they are flowing with you and getting in touch to your brain. And the moment they see that okay, maybe you have the funds and all that, that is how they pitch you. And also the program, offers access to an exclusive investment network and community, so whereby members can collaborate on projects and share expertise. Okay, so it's you also mingle with networks of people, okay, who probably you share the same idea together. Okay, and there's potential risk in this, so in case you want to go for this, you need to be extra careful. Then just go ahead and start investing all your money into this. Okay, so even though I'm intrigued by the program's potential return, the groups that I see talking about this program, they really don't recommend. Okay, they are like, because of lack of transparency and high initial investment required, they do not also recommend this. So as for me also, but I would only recommend this for someone who has the huge fund. Okay, if you had you like if you have a lot of money, but you just feel like okay, this is a way to diversify your income, then you can give it a try. Okay, if you won't be affected by losing $10,000 or $20,000 or even $40,000, then you can give it a try. It's not bad. Okay, I really can't say you shouldn't, but if you don't have such money, like if you don't have huge money, like the only money you have is $20,000 or $40,000, then I'm sorry, I really wouldn't recommend you go for this. Okay, so you can go for some mentorship. There are a lot of mentorship out there. Even there are a lot of free resources on YouTube. Okay, just using YouTube, you can learn a lot. But when it just comes to trading, you've got to be careful. So as a beginner, I really won't recommend that you use YouTube videos to get started, okay, in forex trading, because you're gonna lose money. So I would just say, if you see someone, maybe you can go to YouTube, make your research, then look for someone that you can see that, okay, this person is giving a lot of value. Okay, if the person is giving value and you yourself, you're able to see that okay, this person is getting real results just from his video, the way he's refreshing the page and all that, and you can see that okay, fine, this person is giving a lot of value, then you can decide to message the person, okay, the owner of the channel, and you can join the person's program. So far it's low ticket. If it's still roughly around $500, it's okay. Even if it's $1,000, it's okay. And they can be giving you signal. Okay, make sure you join a kind of mentorship that you'll be getting signals from them. They tell you okay, trade this, trade this. Then from there you can start learning. Okay, so that one is more good. Okay, than you saying you want to just invest money in these and you want to sit back and make things work for you without you having that huge money. Okay, but with that, you can get started with that and use it to possibly learn. The moment they're dropping the forex signal for you, you can be using that to learn, and from there you keep getting more good. Now I'm sorry to say, I really do not know any forex platform you can join, because I don't do forex trading. I'm only doing this review based on just to enlighten my audience, and also go ahead, do the research for them, so that life will be more easier for them in decision making. So I don't know any forex trader that is good that I can recommend to you. I know a lot, but I'm not certain about the legitimacy. Okay, so you might have to look much further in case you don't have the huge fund. But if you have huge money, you're worth $100,000 and above, then it's nothing bad. You can just put $10,000 into these and see how it works out. Okay, so it's your choice. All right, so that is what I have for you today, and I believe this video has been helpful. And a lot of people have been asking me, Maverick, I'm interested in making money online and all that. Well, as I am, the kind of business I am into is a type of software business. Okay, so in the software business, we create softwares and we sell to a market. Okay, we already have the sellers who are going to help us to sell the software, provided it's a good software. Okay, so that is the type of business that I am into. And in case you're interested in this type of business, although you're gonna be needing like capital to create the software, okay, so you might be needing something around $1,000 to maybe $2,000 to create the software. But after creating the software, there is already a market that is gonna buy the software from you. Like you can use it to make like $100,000 or even more. All right, so this is the type of business that I'm into, and if you're interested in this type of business, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there. It's gonna put you through on how you can get started. Okay, and also you're gonna be doing it like I work for a boss, okay, that I do this under him. So he has already created this program that helps people to create softwares and sell to this marketplace. If you want to learn more, just click the link in the video description or check the screen. It's gonna be there, and you can start using these this business to also make extra money online. Thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, can you make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck in your make money online journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.